Hey everyone, we all use ChatGPT every day for writing emails, generating images, and fixing codes. It has become part of daily life. But here's one thing that people often ask: what actually happens to the stuff I tell ChatGPT? Are they saving my private thoughts, my projects, and my client work forever? Guys, before we move forward, I would like to take a time to tell you about our WhatsApp and Telegram channels. If you are obsessed with AI every day and want to learn AI, join our WhatsApp and Telegram channels. We share exclusive prompts to enhance your skills. We share fresh AI news every day. We also share in-depth tutorials for real skills, and there are tons of more AI updates. The Telegram and WhatsApp link channels are in the description below. Well, OpenAI does have a way to keep your chats private. It's called temporary chat. No chat history, which means your conversation doesn't get saved in your chat history. No training, meaning nothing that you type is used to train AI model. And third is fresh start, which means ChatGPT forgets previous conversations, so it's a completely fresh start. The only catch is OpenAI keeps a copy for up to 30 days just to make sure nobody's abusing the system. At this point, everything seems perfect, but there's one really annoying problem: you can't make it your default. You have to turn it on manually every time. So today I'll show you a super quick one-click trick that gives you privacy in ChatGPT wherever you want, whenever you want, instantly. So guys, why temporary chats are a game changer? Let's look at some real life situations. If you are a student conducting research on sensitive topics or testing ideas, temporary chat provides a fresh start each time. If you are a freelancer or content creator and you work with clients who share confidential info, this keeps your projects private. There are no saved chats or unexpected screen share surprises. If you are in healthcare like a doctor or nurse researching symptoms or treatments, you can ask medical questions without leaving that info in your chat history. Researchers can test one idea then completely reset before moving to another. It helps avoid mixing results. And for developers, this one is huge. If you were fixing Python bugs yesterday and today you are building something in TypeScript, temporary chat makes sure ChatGPT doesn't confuse the two. Alright, here's the fun part. This is a straightforward one-click solution. Instead of having to switch on temporary chat manually every time, you can just make a bookmark that opens it automatically. So guys, here's how you do it. Open your browser and go to this link. You can easily copy this link from the description below. Once it loads, just bookmark the page, name it something like ChatGPT temp or clean slate, and that's it. Now, anytime you want a private session, just click that bookmark. If you do want to save a chat, use your normal ChatGPT link. Super simple, right? Two bookmarks and total control over your data. Now, guys, a quick heads up about the trade-offs. Temporary chats don't remember your preferences or your past conversations, so your responses might feel a bit less personalized. And if you refresh the page by accident, poof, your chats are gone. For most people who care about privacy, that's completely worth it. Temporary chats are just a smart way to reduce how much your data is saved, and they make sure your conversations are not used to train future AI models. Also guys, even with temporary chat on, don't start sharing super sensitive stuff. Guys, go save that bookmark, test it out, and enjoy your new private AI space. Also guys, make sure to join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels where we share latest AI updates every day. The links are in the description below. If this video actually helped you protect your privacy, smash that like button and subscribe for more practical AI tips just like this. Drop a comment below and I want to know what's the first thing you're going to use temporary chat for. Our digital footprints are only getting bigger, so little habits like this really help. And with one click, you can decide when ChatGPT remembers you and when it doesn't. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.